So I got my order from Essence Cosmetics, and it says be awesome every day. And as y'all see, I used it for trash, okay? Candy wrappers. But these are the palettes that I purchased. I didn't mean to purchase two of the same ones, but I did. The only thing that sucks is that the majority, I think 2 out of the 6 palettes are not broken. So I have to, I guess, push them back in, because this one isn't broken, which is exciting. That's my favorite one. But the rest of them, let's see. Y'all stop playing with me.